Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the RAZER BlackWidow V3 Mini keyboard, and I'm going to tell you how to set up this keyboard. So at first, to get the maximum of our keyboard, we have to have a PC or laptop that has the Bluetooth connection mode. If we have that, we can turn on here on our keyboard, where is the switch here, the Bluetooth mode, and we can connect without any dongles with our PC. It maybe not looks that great when we are connected by Bluetooth, but trust me, it's great experience if you have the wireless keyboard. Apart from that, to set up our keyboard, we have to charge it. So we have in the box our RAZER cable, which has the USB Type A and USB Type C, and we have to plug the USB Type C cable here in this charging port to charge our keyboard fully. Apart from that, to set up our keyboard, we can connect it with our PC or laptop by 2.5 GHz connection, which is nothing but the USB dongle. We don't have to have the we don't have to have the Bluetooth connection mode, but we can use it with the Bluetooth connection mode and 2.5 GHz. Here, as you can see, we have the dongle itself. We have to plug this dongle straight into our PC, and that's it. We don't have to download anything, it just works. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.